How to unlink Binance from Telegram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unlink Binance from Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Binance application and then you got to click on the logo icon at the top left. So once you click on that, you have to click on your username over here. And then you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. So you got to click on security. And once you click on security, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you got to scroll all the way down and then click on account connections. So just click on account connections, and then here you'll be able to see an option of connect with Telegram. Now you can see that my Telegram is not connected with Binance right now. So I'm just going to click on connect. And then you can read this privacy policy over here that each Telegram account can only be linked to one Binance account at a time and other stuff like that. That you need to note that a Telegram account can only be linked to a Binance account 30 days after unbinding. So now when I connect this Telegram and unbind it, means when I unlink it, I'll be able to, bind the account again after 30 days. So your Binance account can only be linked to a Telegram account again 30 days after the previous link. So you need to make sure of that. So just click on connect. And then here I'm just going to connect my Telegram. Now you can see that my Telegram account has been linked successfully. Now in order to unlink it, I'm just going to click on disconnect. And here you need to note that this Telegram account will be unbound from your Binance account. And note that you can only bind a Telegram account again 30 days after the previous binding. So you can just click on unbind. And once you click on unbind, you'll be able to see this. So you need to verify using Face ID or Touch ID or your password. And now here you can see that my Telegram account has been unbound. So I'll not be able to bind my Binance again unless 30 days have passed. So that was how to unlink Binance from Telegram. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.